Hold yarn with left hand, like this. Left index finger controls the tension of the yarn. Please keep this yarn in a straight line. Hold the hook in the right hand, like this. For the pot, we make a magic circle. Hold your yarn, then wrap yarn around your middle finger. Press and hold the interlaced place. Grab your hook and thread it through the yarn. Grab your yarn, then come back. Make one chain stitch to secure the magic circle, and as the beginning of the round one. Yarn around, then pull through the loop on your hook. This is a chain stitch. This is a magic circle, and next we will work in it. Now let's start our first round. For the first round, I'm going to make 6 single crochet into the circle. To make single crochet, insert the hook into the magic circle. Grab the yarn. Then come back. There are 2 loops on the hook. Now yarn over. Then pull through both loops on your hook. This is the first single crochet. The abbreviation for single crochet is SC, and it's also the first stitch for the first round. We put a stitch marker in the first stitch, passing through the middle of 2 loops. Now I'm going to make the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the magic circle. Grab the yarn and come back. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. The second single crochet is done. Now the third one, insert the hook into the magic circle. Grab the yarn and come back. Yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. Now the fourth single crochet. The fifth one. The sixth one. Enlarge the loop on the hook and take out the hook. The yarn almost looks like it's making a V shape in each single crochet. To count your stitch, count how many V's on the top of the single crochet. Okay, once you have 6 single crochet, pull the magic circle tight. When you're new to crocheting, you'll probably ask yourself, where does my crochet hook go next? after almost every stitch you make. Unless a pattern says otherwise, put the hook under both top loops. In the transition from one round to the next, joined rounds have a clear beginning and end. The end of one round is connected to the beginning of the same round with a join, like a slip stitch and chain. The result is a piece with straight rounds but also a seam. Now take out the stitch marker. Now take out the stitch marker and join with a slip stitch. To the slip stitch, insert your hook to the first stitch. Grab the yarn and come back. Then pull through the loop on your hook. Pull hard on the loop on the hook, and the slip stitch just now will shrink. The piece looks like a straight round. Then chain 1 for the beginning of the second round. At the end of each round, we need to join a slip stitch and a chain stitch. Now start our second round. For the second round, I'm going to increase. That means place 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Now insert the hook into the first stitch to make 1 single crochet. Put a stitch marker in the first stitch. Now make 1 more single crochet into the same stitch. The abbreviation for 2 single crochet in a same stitch is INC. Then make 2 single crochet into the next stitch. For the second round, we need make 6 increase, so place 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Single crochet twice into each of the 6 stitches, equals 12 stitches total. When there are 6 increase in the second round, it means that the second round is about to be completed. You will find that there are still 2 stitches left, which are the slip stitch and chain stitch at the end of our first round. Do not insert our hooks into them. It is important to count the correct number of stitches when you have completed your round. Now join by a slip stitch and chain 1. Tighten the slip stitch. Then chain 1. Next, I'm going to make our third round. For the third round, make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. Put a stitch marker in the first stitch. Then increase into the next stitch. 2 single crochet into the same stitch. Now make a single crochet into the next stitch. Then increase into the next stitch. Repeat this process, 1 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end we will have 18 stitches in total. Count the correct number of stitches when you have completed your round. The wrong side has a tail. Facing us is the right side. Now join by a slip stitch and chain 1. For the round 4, make 2 single crochet into the first 2 stitches. Then increase into the next stitch. Repeat this process, 2 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end we will have 24 stitches in total. Count the correct number of stitches when you have completed your round. Now join by a slip stitch and chain 1. For the round 5, make 3 single crochet into the first 3 stitches. Then increase into the next stitch. Repeat this process, 3 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end we will have 30 stitches in total. Now join by a slip stitch and chain 1. For the round 6, make 4 single crochet into the first 4 stitches. Then increase into the next stitch. Repeat this process for single crochet and 1 increase. At the end we will have 36 stitches in total. Now join by a slip stitch and chain 1. For the round 7, make 5 single crochet into the first 5 stitches. Then increase into the next stitch. Repeat this process, 5 single crochet and 1 increase. At the end we will have 42 stitches in total.